What's going on, guys? Just thought I would share some exercises that I typically do when I don't have an access to a gym or any kind of other facility. Some of these exercises I'm doing use weights or equipment, but it doesn't matter. You don't need any weights or any equipment to get in any kind of really intense and good exercise during the day. All you need is just a little bit of motivation, self-motivation. So pick any of these exercises. You can do them as a circuit. You can break them up so that you've got lots of space in between. But either way you slice it, these are just some things that you can get away with. You complete them at any time you want during the day, with as short a rest in between as you choose. Add exercises, take away exercises. If I hear any criticisms like, oh, you missed some body parts, I don't give a damn, because you just do that on some other day, or you just do some other compound exercise, that hits whatever muscle group that you choose. So have fun, mess around, be creative. That's the best way to get into good shape. All right, see you guys.